Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to run binary option robot Alpha Master. Today is a Sunday morning and you can use this robot also. Just use the link you find up here right now and you can download this robot today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also the link to now have a 50% promo code. So you can just use the link and you get automatically 50% on your first deposit. But your first deposit need to be more than $100, not 50, but $100. Otherwise this promo code will not work for you, okay? And if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. So now let's start up this robot and let's see how good we do today. I think I'll go for around $100 today also. So a couple of trades. And now let's go to the broker and we will, every trade that come up, we will then follow. So now let's zoom in and now we need to wait. Typically I've seen that takes around 6 minutes. I say this in every video because there are many people that start to use this robot and they're complaining because there are no trades coming in. Yes, can take time. I have seen up to 20-30 minutes before a trade come in. But typically around 5-6 minutes the first trade come in, because we are actually trading quite a lot of pairs. I can show you. If you now go here, we go here, you see all these currency pairs here we are trading, all these crypto pairs here we are trading. Here you see, for example, oil, silver, we're trading all of them. And for companies we are trading all this also, so there are quite a lot of pairs. So the thing is, we are trading with 3 indicators. By the way, when you download the robot you get all the settings, everything I'm using in this video. So now we just need to follow and wait, and like always I will show the trades also here in the end. But first we need to get some trades, right? So like I said, I think we go for around $100, so that's why I put for the robot to take max 2 pairs at the same time. So now we just need to wait so we can get in some trades first. Let's just hope comes something in reasonable time. I forgot to get myself some coffee, so because sometimes this can take some time, so it's good to have some energy as it's early in the morning for me here now. So but let's see, we have now been waiting for soon 3 minutes. If we just get one trade within the first 10 minutes, we will just end up with this one trade. But hopefully we can get a couple of trades. Because like I said, my target I think for today I'll put for $100. Of course you can put a much higher target than that, but I find that reasonable for me for this type of videos. So, and win rate I see is very high with this robot, because as you see it's not just throwing in trades, it's quite careful with the trades you're taking. And as I will show you when the trades start to come in, trades are amazing. It's put in perfect positions. So the win rate is good enough to run without martingale, so be aware of that if you're running with a smaller amount. As you can see, I'm running with a quite decent amount, more than 22,000. So it's a quite big account, but then also my bids are 50. You can start with like $1 if that's what you want. So you don't need to be running with the same amount of money I am, because if you divide this then with like 50, around $450 will do it for you to run the same way, but then you're running with $1 trades, okay? Just so you see the difference. And now let's see, we have now been waiting for 4 minutes. So yeah, will take some while. Also, I just in my channel now started with affiliate marketing. I was quite big in affiliate marketing many years ago, and I did take a break for like 4 or 5 years now. So I'm not up to date with affiliate marketing, what people are using today. So I'm just starting over, and I'm showing that also here at YouTube. So if you have interest to start making money with affiliate marketing, check it out. I will in the start not just do the lazy way, because you know me, I don't like to spend too much time. That's why I'm using robots here also. Is that I like to do things where I don't need to put too much effort or work. So we are buying traffic, and basically we see how we are doing with that. So now let's see if we can get in some trades. We have now been trading for 5 minutes and no trades yet. So maybe we just get one trade today. Hopefully we get one before 10 minutes, because it's a little boring for me to be sitting here waiting and no trades. But you also see how it is in real, that it's not like my trades just come jumping in and yours is not. Because the way I made videos in the past, I basically did speed it up. So if I was waiting 30 minutes, I did put 30x. So all the trading for you that looks like was within just 1 minute, but the reality it was actually like 30 minutes. So we will need to wait a little longer. It's not like trades just come jumping in here either. So this is the reality, and I thought also this type of videos is more fun for you, because you can be following how it actually is looking for me also. Of course, for me to have something to talk about is better if coming in some trades, because then I can more like analyze the trades while they're coming in. So let's wait and see. By the way, as it will be, I might be some silence in this video if this takes too long. I have some, as you can hear, music in the background, because make it a little better for you. But yes, now we've been waiting 6 minutes. Typically we get our trades by then, but it's Sunday, so maybe the market is not so good. Let's wait and see. I like to see this type of move. You see, at least with the New Zealand dollar against American dollar right now, this means at least the RSI should start to come in. But of course there are two more indicators that also need to come in to get a trade. But yes, this means that it's a possibility for a trade pretty soon, I guess. So let's wait and see. But for now, nothing. What we could do just for fun, let's add in the indicator for RSI. Let me see, let's put in the RSI indicator so you can just follow that one at least. So you see the RSI is good, but that means the two other indicators say no yet. So now let's wait and see. This one, like I said, the RSI is active. I think we are at 80% here, so that's pretty high. So now let's hope another two can say yes also. Let me just confirm the robot is running, so everything should be in order. But yes, I believe that we'll maybe get a trade on this pair pretty soon, because we have very high in RSI. So now it's just for the two other indicators to say yes, put a trade. So now let's see. We have now been trading for 8 minutes and no trades. Also, if you have any ideas about ways to make money that you think will be interesting to show in my channel, because lately I've just been adding videos like this binary option and once in a while some Forex, but mostly binary option. I want to be doing a little more on my channel. So if you have any things you would like me to present on my channel, put it in the comments and I will look through it. And if I see it's a way that is actually real, that we can make some money with, I will then look through it and see if I can make some videos and test it out myself. And then we get a real view on it from my perspective, like I do now with affiliate marketing, CPM marketing and all these type of things. Like I said, I am not fresh there, so we are more like starting over, and I think that will be a real view for you also if you have interest about it. So check out the video I did upload today if you are interested about that. So now let's see. Because what I want with my YouTube channel, I want it to be something for everyone. So whatever type of interest you have about earning money online, because of course it will be online, I'm not going to start filming, trying different type of works that we can do outside of my office. Everything will be something that you can do in front of your computer. better if as lazy we can be, because lazy does not mean bad. That means we are making money the smart way, so we can do other things in life and just have things running. Because when we find the perfect setup for affiliate also, we can just let it run in the background while we do other things that you want to do. I don't like to be working hard for money. I want something that you can, maybe we need to work a little hard just for a couple hours to set it up, but then after let it run and you can make money all the time. That's my target, and that's why I made this YouTube channel, because I want to show my view on how to do things. But this looks very slow. If we don't get a trade within 15 minutes, this will be a zero trade day. That is also for you to see that trades don't just jump in for me either. That can be days like this. Of course, if I let this run for maybe a couple hours, a few trades will come in, but I'm not going to be sitting here, and I'm not going to make more of these videos where I speed. I want to show you the real view of a binary option robot trader that, yes, can be days like this. So yes, we are now 11 minutes and 25 seconds. I will let it run. Thank God we got a trade, otherwise it would be a very bad video. But yes, we got one trade, perfect. I'm super happy for that. Let's open and follow, and you can see we needed actually more than 11 minutes to get this trade up and running. So now let's open this one and follow. The trade was quite decent. You see we got it in the end of this bar. Of course I would like it to be down here, but we never can get a perfect scenario. And you see the RSI was active, but the two other it did say yes also. So now we need to just wait till the timer say stop, and I will actually stop after this trade. We are not going to take more trades. Only if we pop in another trade within we have this one, we will let it go. But now we are 10, 11, I will just stop when this one says 0. So now let's follow and see. Looks like we won this one and we stop. So I basically can just open here now. Let's go to here. Let's open for today only. Will not come, and I'm not going to wait for it as it's just one trade. The stats that come down here, they come after like 2-3 minutes, but you can see already that we have this one trade and one winner. That means, by the way, 100% win rate, and we made ourselves $44. So there you can see, it can take time, but you see how accurate the robot is. So if you want to use this robot also, just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.